Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to transfer USDT from Bybit to your Tonkeeper wallet. Alright, so first and foremost, open up your Bybit application, okay? And in your Bybit application, you can come to your assets option, which is the last option there. Now from your assets option, click on withdraw. When you click on withdraw, come to crypto option over here, and then come to the search bar over here up. On the search bar, search for USDT. Okay, when you search for USDT, make sure to have some USDT. So click on USDT over there. Okay, when you click on USDT, it will open up this menu like this. Okay, so after opening up this menu like this, you head back to your Tonkeeper wallet. Alright, so from your Tonkeeper wallet, what are you going to do is simple. Remember, you're depositing from Bybit to Tonkeeper. So come to your Tonkeeper wallet and copy your USDT address. So for this case, I'll click on USDT in my Tonkeeper wallet and then click on receive. Okay. And then copy it. Alright. So right now, head back to your Bybit application. And then on your Bybit application, paste the address over here. Click on paste. When you paste the address over here, click on the network down here and then select the Ton network. Okay, after selecting the Ton network, you can add a comment if you want. If you want, you can leave it. It's optional. Then after there, the minimum withdrawal from Bybit is 1 USDT. Okay, so I'm assuming you have like 6 USDT. You want to withdraw them. Enter them over there. Okay, and then click on withdraw. So for this case, it says withdrawal limit exceeded because I don't have enough USDT. But that's a procedure, guys. Okay. And guys, I hope this video was helpful. If so, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet.